The Wohlers Report has evolved, moving beyond a static annual report to become an interactive and continuously refreshed ecosystem of market intelligence for the additive manufacturing industry. It's faster, smarter, more connected, and designed to keep decision makers ahead of what's next. The reimagined Wohlers Report delivers concise, high-impact insights that drive business and investment decisions. Our new digital platform gives clients self-service access to data with interactive dashboards and analytical tools that put actionable intelligence at their fingertips. At its core, a continuously updated database powers every Wohlers product, enabling custom data projects and bespoke intelligence solutions. And through advisory services, we help clients interpret insights, validate strategies, and move forward with confidence. The beta version of the new market intelligence platform is already in motion with select customers. The full release arrives in early 2026. The Wohlers Report, evolving with the industry, empowering the decisions that shape its future.